Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can repost someone else's Instagram story into your iPhone or your Instagram account. So here the thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and log or sign in with your account. So here, if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, is make sure you get an access to repost them. Only someone who mentioned by the owner of Instagram story that able to repost the Instagram story. So you just need to check into your DM, and whenever someone mention you, that could be information about mentioning in their story, and then you just need to tap it to open it. And if you want to right away repost it, you can just go tap into add to your story, or if you want to check it first, just tap into the content first and tap into add your story. And now you can choose either you want to make it full of the screen, or you can also adding the ID of your friends that have the original version of your Instagram story. And now you just need to tap into your stories and you are done. Now you already repost this Instagram stories into your Instagram account. Hopefully you enjoyed today's tutorial, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.